Good day, everyone. My name is Ogundoyin Sulaiman Adewale. I want to start presentation on the data analysis on the SPSS. So, the analysis of the data that have been collected to determine the influence of teacher experience on their pedagogical knowledge and the year of experience of the teaching. So, which is categorized into four different groups. So the first group is 0 to 5 years. The second group is 6 to 10 years. The third group 10 to 15 years, while the fourth group is 15 to 10 years respectively. So I want to start the analysis, and this particular data that have been collected are here on the screen. I want to copy the data from the Microsoft Word to the SPSS software. So, but before then, the two variables are identified in this research work. So the independent variable is a teacher experience, while the dependent variable is a teacher pedagogical knowledge. So I want to start the process now from the Microsoft Word. I want to copy the data being collected, so and then I move it to the SPSS software now. So here with me, I highlighted the data, then I want to copy now. So I've copied, so move directly to the SPSS software now. So this is a SPSS software interface. So where I want to paste the data being collected now. So I paste the data now. So the data is already there. So the next one is to move to the data field. So so variable field, sorry. So this variable field, I want to rename the data now. So the first one is a teacher experience, teacher underscore experience. Then I want to change the second variable now, which is a teacher pedagogical knowledge, teacher pedagogical knowledge. Teacher underscore pedagogical underscore knowledge. So I've renamed the two variables now. So the next one is to um, so to put the values to the each group. So I want to label the value now. So the first group is given the range of 0 to 5 years of experience. 0 to 5 years. Then we had. Then the second group, that is 6 to 10 years experience. Then we had it now the third one, which is 11 to 15 years. Then I had it here also. So the fourth group, which is 16 to 20 years. So I also had this one as well. So after I've labeled the value now, so we now click OK. So then we go to measure. So in this measure, I want to select ordinal, because ordinal is suitable for the analysis of like this, because the variable is a categorical variable, because this particular ordinal is selected for research like this, because ordinal scale is used, can be categorized, can be ordered, can be ranked. So this means that there is hierarchy among the categories, because we are talking of the groups, the year of experience of teaching, a year of teaching experience. So the second one, which is teacher pedagogical knowledge, so that one scale is suitable for that one. So under the value, so no group that will be coded under the value. So we leave that one as it is now. So after that one, we go to analyze. So when we want to analyze, so we go to the compare means and select one way Anova, because one way Anova is suitable for this research like this, because we want to compare the names of different groups, and it's necessary for the understanding of this um, of this particular research, which is because this particular research is specific. We are to analyze the specific group, so which is different from one another. So regarding the teaching pedagogical knowledge. So initially I said the teacher experience is the independent variable, so that's why we move to factor. Why the teacher pedagogical knowledge we move to dependent list, so because that is a dependent variable. So after that we now move to post-hoc. So that post-hoc I want to select 2K. So that 2K is the appropriate statistical tool that we use to analyze research like this. Then I click OK. Then we move to options. So in the option, I select statistics as one of the statistics tool. Then homogeneity of variance. So that one we also selected to, because we want to compare the means of the variables. So then I click continue. So after that, we now click OK, because after all the details have been coded, so we now go ahead and analyze the data. So click OK. I click OK. So the I've run the data now. So and then this is the result being given to me. So in the description, so the data here suggests that the 0.5 years of experience as 43. Yeah, the number of participants are 43, 6 to 10, 36, 11 to 15, that's 13, while 16 to 20 are 8. But the means of the 0 to 5 years is the lowest, that is 25.8605. So which is the lowest among the um, groups of the teacher pedagogical knowledge. So is the lowest one, and with this, the data suggests a positive relation between the year of teaching experience and pedagogical knowledge, particularly in the early stages of the teacher career. So the most significant jump in the average knowledge appear to happen when teacher move from 0 to 5 years of experience, and that's moved to the 6 to 10 years bracket. So after 10 years, so the average score still increase, but as a slower rate, so with less variability. So in this particular research work, so the group that has lowest significant results is 0 to 5 years teaching experience. So the teacher in this group have the lowest average pedagogical knowledge score. So after that, we move to another aspect, which is another aspect of analysis, which is Anova. So the table of Anova provide information that about the relationship between the teacher pedagogical knowledge and the teacher experience. So the total number of the participants are 100, but the null hypothesis here is that state that there is no statistically significant difference in the means of the teacher content knowledge across the group. So since the p-value, that is the p-value is 0.000 and is less than the confessional significant level of 0.05. So therefore, we reject the null hypothesis. So the ANOVA indicates the grouping variable has a significant effect on the teacher pedagogical knowledge. So therefore, there are statistically significances in the teaching pedagogical knowledge levels in the four groups being studied. So in this study, so we also look at the homogeneity subsets. So the homogeneous subsets of this, the results of this one also indicate that the test indicate that the teachers within 0 to 5 years of experience have significantly lower pedagogical knowledge than all other groups. However, among teachers with more than 5 years of experience, there are no significant difference in their pedagogical knowledge based on the experience in the related to this research. So in relation to this research work. So however, in overall, so based on the all the statistical tools being used, so teachers with 0 to 5 years of experience have significantly lower content knowledge than teachers in all other experience groups. So therefore, it is recommended that the teacher it is recommended that this particular research work, so the with this outcome, so it could be valuable for designing teacher professional program. So potentially focusing more on the teacher content knowledge enhancement program for early career teachers. Thanks for listening.